Hey everyone, we're here today in Tampa. We are just going to take the free tram, which runs every day from at least 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. You can go downtown, you can also go to Channelside, and you can visit Ybor City, which is the Cuban area of Tampa. So today we're going to take a loop around the downtown area, show you all the fun spots to check out so you know where to go when you come to Tampa too.
Great.
So it's super easy to get on. There's lots of stops throughout downtown. We are just on the edge of downtown, so if you are on one side, it tells you this platform is for downtown area. If you're on the other side, it tells you you need to go Channelside or Ybor City.
Adventure begins at Tampa, outside our hotel. You can see the beautiful buildings, lots of cars, and this stairs connects to the convention center, which is where the major events happen. So here you can get a tram on the left hand side. These are all the hotels nearby. And look, it's time now is 9:50 in the morning on 27th, Thursday 27th of April. Temperature outside is roughly 25 degrees. Very breezy, very pleasant. Here we are in the trolley train in Tampa, and now we have basically started to wander, and the trolley train is actually free to go and takes you around the city, so that's pretty cool. I thought, you know, one of the few places which is free, and here I am sitting in the trolley train, and look, as you can see, it's pretty empty, so it's good stuff. See, the trams have the seats, which actually can be, which can be actually turned in the direction where the tram is going, which is pretty good, huh? So we are in the trolley train. It's going around. It's free, and it takes you all around the city. So we have got off from the trolley train, and we are heading towards the aquarium. There's the cruise ship where all the cruises basically come in Tampa Bay, and I think that's a parking or something. It looks like a parking, yeah, parking garage. And then here's the aquarium. That's a big aquarium from the outside. We are here with our amigos. Look, they're right behind us. Quite a few of us here on the trip, so this is a big family adventure for us. So our adventure is excited as well. And there it is, the Florida Aquarium. Look at this place. Pretty cool, huh? So here we have stopped over in a place called Sparkman Wharf, where there are lots of eating places, and these eating places are made out of ship containers. Every single of these blocks are ship containers, so all these are basically shops and restaurants and made out of ship containers. And on the left-hand side are various different shops. It's more of an eating place than anything else, both sides. And just behind is cruise ships. So all the cruise ship liners basically come and stop over here. So you can see quite a few tourists eating around here. And you can kind of see why, because it's nearer and convenient. They just get off the boat and then they just... I think all the people from the cruise ship just stopped over here, you know, here, just before the downtown area. Here is this beautiful Tampa sign, which represents the city, just near the docking area. And you can get the tram from here, which will then take you around the city, around the blocks, show you around. Straight ahead is the aquarium. And then now we're gonna scroll down the downtown area and go for the river walk. So here begins our river walk. I think these are apartments. The Tampa River Walk. There you go. This is the beginning of the river walk, which basically starts from here. And now, such a beautiful place. It's just amazing, man. The weather is nice. Temperature is not too hot, just perfect. So we're just walking through the river walk, and we just stopped over for a picture near the Tampa Bay History Center, and it's now about 30 degrees right now and it's quite warm outside. Let me take you and show you the water area, which looks like all the rich boys are just living there. Apparently there are alligators in this water, and the water is quite clear. It's nice. Here we are, still at the Tampa Bay History Center, looking at the beautiful scenic stuff. There is the Tampa Bay History Center. Really, really cool. Very warm. Looks like someone is gonna go in the water. So our adventurers have found a mini park. Here we are at Amateur Works, which is like a area within Tampa where it's just restaurants and open play area, perfect for family and children. This beautiful area is got lots of parking spaces. You can park. And then just across the horizon down there, you can play. There's a water play area for children, so it's really good stuff down here. There is lots to see. I will take you around to show you on the other side, but I just thought I'd give you guys a glimpse of what's here. So here we are at the Amateur Works place, where apparently you are not allowed to use a GoPro for recording, but you can use your camera, which doesn't make sense at all. But either way, you get to see what I'm seeing, so it's all good. Now I'm just gonna take you out of the Amateur Works area and take into the kids play area, where there is a water play area, and the kids and our adventurer is also in that area enjoying himself. So we've just come out of the amateur works area, and we are now in a small play area, which is like a greenery really. It's got various different entertainments here. The weather is really good. I mean, it's cloudy and it's warm and breezy at the same time, so it's like just perfect. Yeah. Here it is, the play area, which is for children, and you get a restroom and changing areas where kids and people can use the toilets and stuff. Really is pretty cool. Wrong way. Our adventure is the wrong way. He's gonna run for me. I'm gonna run for him. He's gonna run for me. He's gonna run. And now we're gonna try it out. Here it is a play area with a water park just near Tampa, where children can just go in and just enjoy themselves. And our adventure is here in action. Give me a thumbs up if you're having fun. Our adventure seems to have an ouchie earlier on today, and now he's all rock and rolling, enjoying himself. Our adventures, what would you give it out of 10?
An 8.
An 8? Why an 8, not a 10?
Because it's kind of hard to climb.
Hard to climb? Have you seen the water play area? That looks pretty cool, our adventures. It's not? I like it. Whoa, look at that, man. That looks pretty awesome. Huh? Hey? And there's our adventures, Nana and Mama and Didi. And they have all been exhausted due to the heat, and now they're taking a break. Oh, look at that splash, man.
And listen, if you're gonna go in there,
Take your shoes off, please. This is a beautiful water play area for children.
Let's go all the way in the middle of it. I'm gonna go. No, let's go all the way in the middle of it. I'm gonna go in the middle of it. Yep.
4, 3, 4. Ah! Our adventure, did you get wet? Our adventure. Oh my goodness. Did our adventure get wet?